Hi, I'm Karuna Hill.
And I'm Graciella Blanco. As women in today's society, we thought it would be interesting to do research on a woman who was heavily suppressed in the 1800s due to her gender. Since we're young women, this story was very inspirational because it taught us that we can do anything we want with a little bit of perseverance.
Sophie Germain was a French mathematician, physicist, and philosopher. Despite opposition from her parents and society, she got her education from books in her dad's library, which included many from famous mathematicians such as Euler. She was born in France in 1776, and when she was 13, the French Revolution forced her to stay inside, and for entertainment, she turned to her dad's library. She first picked up L'Histoire des Mathématiques and the story of Archimedes. From then, her fascination with math only grew.
Her parents thought it wasn't appropriate for a girl to be so interested in math, so they tried to keep her from studying. With time, her mother secretly supported her, and in 1894, when she was 18, the École Polytechnique opened, and even though women were not allowed to attend, the new system of education made lecture notes available to all who asked. The method also requires students to submit written observations. She started sending her lecture notes and work to Joseph Louis Lagrange, a faculty member at the time.
When she first submitted her work, she went under the name of Antoine Auguste Leblanc, fearing that there would be ridicule attached with a female scientist. When Lagrange saw the intelligence of this persona, he requested a meeting, and Sophie was forced to show who she truly was. Lagrange didn't mind that Sophie was a woman, and he became her mentor. She first became interested in number theory when Adrienne Marie Legendre published Essai sur la théorie des nombres. She read Carl Friedrich Gauss's work Disquisitiones Arithmeticae, and after studying it for 3 years, she wrote to him about it. She first wrote under her persona, but later identified herself.
Gauss thought it was amazing that a woman going through suppression of society could be so intelligent. After interactions with Gauss, she took interest in a contest concerning Chladni's experiments with vibrating metal plates. In 1809, she began to work, and in 1811, she submitted her paper but did not win. The contest was then extended by 2 years, and Germain decided to try again for the prize. She submitted her paper in 1816 under her own name, and she became the first woman to receive a prize from the Paris Academy of Sciences.
Number theory is about studying the relationships between different sorts of numbers, such as odd numbers, even numbers, square numbers, cube numbers, prime numbers, and even composite numbers, and there are many more.
There was a prize to solve Fermat's last theorem that stated no three positive integers, a, b, and c, satisfy the equation a to the n plus b to the n equals c to the n for any integer values of n greater than 2.
Germain actually didn't get to solving that equation, but by doing the math to try to solve that equation, she came up with her own theorem and was actually presented to the French Academy of Sciences in 1823 by Legendre, who gave Germain all the credit for her work. This project has enhanced our understanding about how times have changed and how not only men, but women paved the way for us to be able to learn the math that we learn today and understand complex concepts. It's strong women like Sophie that paved the way for future generations, as well as influential women such as Michelle Obama, Hillary Clinton, Rosa Parks, Oprah Winfrey, and Mother Teresa.
Math is something that we use every day, and without the history that came with it, we wouldn't be able to progress in mathematics or use these concepts in everyday life.